Grazia for the first time and I was very excited the moment I heard the theme. The theme was actually very close to how I am, how young I am. It was very like fun, grungy, party type. The exact word that Ekta used was Avril Lavigne. So I was most excited because my eyes were dark and I had to wear very painful lenses, but it looked good in the shoot, so I was very happy. The cover was actually beyond my imagination because I never thought that I'd be able to pull off a tight bun look because I always thought my face was very chubby because I was always a chubby chick. But beautifully that Prasad Naik was shooting me and it came out very well and Subbu was doing makeup. So I'm really thankful to Grazia for having me on that December issue. It's a party issue, so that really symbolizes of who I am and what I should be doing when I'm 19. So thank you and I hope that I get to work with you all again and again and again. So many cameras is always nice because so many cameras always take many pictures and pictures are always a very good part of my profile. So thank you for camera people for being here and taking my pictures. And it's very exciting because I've never single-handedly launched a cover. I've always done it with, you know, my better half, Varun and Siddharth. But this time I'm doing it on myself. So it's exciting. So I'm feeling all big and proud and independent.
Actually, while I was shooting for it, I didn't know what was going to be the cover. So, you know, I wasn't told this is going to be a cover outfit, so I couldn't give it my all only in that, which went on for about like 5 hours, 6 hours at least. So it was really lots of fun, as I said, through different looks. The makeup essentially remained the same, the dark eyes, but the looks, the hairstyles kept changing, the accessories kept changing, the outfits kept changing. So it's very interesting because keeping one constant look and just different hairdo is difficult to manage with sometimes, but it was really interesting and I had lots of fun. You know, with makeup, it actually depends what you're doing, what time of the day it is. I always believe less is more, but if you're going night, in a night events, I always believe in like accentuating my eyes and making that darker because it gives a, you know, kind of a grungy look, which I like. Style statement, as of now, I don't know. Bright colors depends on the seasons yet again. Like in the winter, I'll probably wear more subdued colors, more of blacks, greys, blues, purples. But in the summer, more white, yellow, orange, pink, all of that. So it depends on seasons. Alia Bhatt was not fashion conscious before she met Karan Johar. After meeting Karan Johar, she became fashion conscious. My biggest asset? I think my eyes. I don't think I'm sexy, so I can't say what my sex appeal is. Yeah, that's lots of fun. I get very excited. In fact, I get more excited meeting people when they recognize me. They're like, they try to remember my name. I'm waiting for them to remember so I can whatever take pictures with them. But it's very exciting. It's not that different. I don't think that's it's really going to get there yet. I'm just one film old. But it's fun. It's exciting when people remember you and you know they appreciate your work and they say you're very good. No, you feel happy.